turning on your heat. So you've got your warm or your cool, your AC or your heater. On this side, you're gonna turn your fan. And so now I don't have either of these pushed in, so it's just blowing air. So I'm gonna turn it to warm. And it blows up here. And then you've got your vents down here. They've got nice covers on that. So getting a little bit of warm air already, which is really good. When I took it out last week when it was cold, like it was minus, we had flurries, so maybe not quite zero. It took about 20 minutes for it to heat up, and it did fog a little bit, which is normal. There are defogger sprays that you can use for the interior just to avoid that. Yep, that's warm. That's nice warm air. Too bad you can't feel it. So now I'm going to take that off, and I'm going to turn on the AC. And you can hear that. That's your compressor. So now you're wondering, we converted this lead acid to a lithium, and I'll do that in the next video. Yep, there's the cool air. So it comes out here, both sides. This doesn't really do too much. I feel like you don't want to move that too much. And again, we got our AC down here, but you also have your moonroof, right? If you want to get some air in as you're driving. Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Well done, Matrix. And then I'm just going to turn this off here. Off. There we go.